And now an HGTV special sneak peek.
We're home renovators in Southern California. I'm Carmine. I handle everything from the walls in. This house desperately needs a new floor plan. Mike handles everything from the walls out.
Curb appeal is the most important thing. Our main goal is to bring the outside in and the inside out.
Now we just have to figure out where the money gets divided.
We have Carmine's idea, which is gonna save you a little bit of money. Or you can spend a little bit more and get a detached garage, roll-up door on this side, which just says party. You know what I mean? He likes to party. Garage in the front, party in the back. It's gonna be a garage mullet.
This house was giving me secondhand thrift store vibes. Now it's this beautiful, elegant, black and white tuxedo front farmhouse.
I think it's just absolutely stunning.
Beautiful. I love it.
When we put it all together, we make our client's home beautiful from the inside out.
Outside in.